A quiet classroom where a student is struggling with the correct use of across in sentences. The teacher steps in to explain it in a simple and detailed way. Sir, I often hear the word across, but I'm not sure when to use it. Can you explain? Of course. Across is used when something moves from one side to another or when something is positioned on the opposite side. So, does it mean movement from one place to another? Yes, that's one meaning. For example, if I say she swam across the river, it means she moved from one side of the river to the other. Oh, so it shows direction? Exactly. It shows movement over a surface or from one side to another. Another example is, he ran across the field. It means he moved from one side of the field to the other. Got it? Does across always mean movement? Not always. Sometimes across describes the position of something. For example, there is a park across the street. Here it means the park is located on the other side of the street, not moving. Oh, I see. So if I say my friend lives across the road, does it mean he lives on the other side of the road? Exactly. That's a correct use of across for position. Are there any other ways we can use across? Yes. Across can also mean spreading over an area. For example, the news spread across the country. This means the news reached different places all over the country. That makes sense. So it can show movement, position, or something spreading over an area. Yes. Let's practice. Can you make a sentence using across in any of these ways? Sure. I saw a bridge across the river. Perfect. That shows position. Now, try using it for movement. The dog ran across the garden. Well done. That's a great example. Now, one for spreading over an area. The laughter spread across the classroom. Excellent. You understand it well now. Across is a useful word in English, and you've learned how to use it correctly. Keep practicing, and soon it will come naturally in your speech and writing. Thank you, sir. This really helped. You're welcome. Keep practicing, and let me know if you have any more doubts.